Here's a short video on how you can add collaborators on Expert Pro. Collaborators are people within your brokerage that you would like to be able to view and edit your boards and the clients and applications within it. This feature is useful if you need to provide access to your applications to other users within your brokerage, particularly other agents, assistants, or administrators. To add a collaborator, you will first need to go into your boards. Locate the board where the client profile and applications you want to provide access to are present. Once you locate the applications and client profiles you want to share on the board, click on Actions in the top right corner. When you click on Actions, you will see the option to add or edit collaborators. Click on Add and Edit Collaborators. You will then have to locate the agent using the drop-down under Collaborator Name. You can also search for them using their name. Once you locate the collaborator, click on their name and it will appear below. You can then choose to either give the collaborator access to all the client profiles on the board or access to specific client profiles on the board. This can be done by switching the toggle. If you choose to give a collaborator access to all clients by keeping the toggle on, this is the final step, and the collaborator will now have access to all the client profiles and applications on the board. If you choose to give the collaborator access to specific client profiles on the board by switching the toggle off, you will then have to go into the client profile you want to give them access to. Once you are in the profile, you will notice a button at the top which says Email Tracking. Once you click on the drop-down next to Email Tracking, you will notice a button which says Add or Remove Agents. Click on this option and a drop-down will appear. The drop-down will present you with the names of your collaborators on that board. Select the collaborator you would like to provide access to. Once you select the collaborator's name, their name will appear under your own. They will now have access to the client profile and the deals under the client profile. That's how you can add a collaborator in Expert Pro.